Some national emblems celebrate victories. Argentina's coat of arms celebrates the ideals that made those victories possible. Every element reflects the values of unity, freedom, and independence that shaped the nation. At the center, two clasped hands represent the unity and fraternity of the peoples and provinces of the United Provinces of the Rio de la Plata, laying the foundation for what would become modern Argentina. The hands hold a pike, representing strength and the determination to defend the homeland. At its tip rests the Phrygian cap, an ancient symbol of liberty, expressing the belief that unity gives a nation the power to preserve its freedom. The oval shield is divided into the same colors as the Argentine flag. The light blue upper half represents justice and truth, while the white lower half symbolizes purity and faith. Rising above the shield is the sun of May, inspired by the Inca sun. As a rising sun, it marks the birth of a new and glorious nation following independence. Encircling the emblem are laurel branches, timeless symbols of victory, honor, and the achievements won during Argentina's struggle for independence. At the base, a light blue and white ribbon ties the laurel branches together, representing Argentina's national identity and recalling the colors of the national flag and cockade. More than a national emblem, Argentina's coat of arms is a lasting tribute to the unity, freedom, and shared values that continue to shape the Argentine nation today.